Welcome back, Aviation Pill, fellow enthusiasts of cutting-edge technology and military innovation. Today, we're diving headfirst into a realm that has transformed the very nature of modern warfare, the mesmerizing world of drone technology. Picture this, a symphony of metal and silicon, soaring above battlefields with unprecedented precision, changing the course of conflicts without risking human lives. That's right, we're about to unveil the incredible story of the Bayraktar TB2, a true game-changer in the world of drones, and a masterpiece of engineering prowess that's redefining the art of war itself. As the world around us evolves, so too does the way nations defend themselves and safeguard their interests. Gone are the days when aerial supremacy relied solely on traditional fighter jets and bombers. The advent of drone technology has revolutionized the very essence of warfare, allowing for a new era of reconnaissance, surveillance, and tactical precision. From remote-controlled marvels to autonomous wonders, drones have reshaped strategies, leveled playing fields, and rewritten the rules of engagement. Today, we're zooming in on a drone that's garnered international attention, capturing the imagination of defense strategists and enthusiasts alike, the Bayraktar TB2. Hailing from the innovation hub of Turkey, this cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle is not just a piece of technology, it's a harbinger of change, a disruptor that's challenging conventional notions of air power and intelligence gathering. Throughout this video, we'll be delving deep into the intricate features and capabilities that make the Bayraktar TB2 a force to be reckoned with. We'll also explore its real-world successes on the battlefield, discuss its implications on modern warfare, and even touch on some of the controversies and concerns that surround this technological marvel. So, my friends, fasten your seatbelts as we take flight into the captivating universe of the Bayraktar TB2, where innovation meets strategy, and where the sky is no longer the limit. Let's set the stage by rewinding the clock and exploring the captivating evolution of drone technology. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), trace their roots back to the early 20th century when remote-controlled aircraft were first experimented with for military purposes. However, it wasn't until the latter half of the century that significant strides were made, propelling drones from the realm of experimentation into the heart of modern warfare. The evolution of drones can be categorized into several phases, each marked by technological breakthroughs and changing strategic landscapes. From simple reconnaissance models to the sophisticated wonders we witness today, drones have traversed a remarkable journey. Early reconnaissance drones offered a bird's-eye view of battlefields, providing commanders with crucial information without risking human pilots. As technology advanced, the introduction of armed drones added a new dimension to warfare, one that enabled precision strikes on high-value targets with minimized collateral damage. Today, drones come in various shapes, sizes, and types, catering to diverse missions and strategic objectives. They can be broadly classified into categories like reconnaissance drones, surveillance drones, combat drones, and even cargo drones. Each type serves a unique purpose, from gathering intelligence and conducting targeted strikes to delivering essential supplies to remote areas. This versatility has reshaped the tactics of modern warfare, allowing nations to project power and gather intelligence like never before. The impact of drones on warfare and reconnaissance has been profound. These aerial marvels have transformed the concept of battlefield awareness, providing real-time information to commanders and troops on the ground. This enhanced situational awareness enables quicker decision-making, reduced risks to personnel, and ultimately a shift in the dynamics of engagement. However, this evolution is not without its ethical and strategic challenges, as the proliferation of drone technology raises questions about sovereignty, privacy, and the ethics of remote warfare. So, as we embark on our journey through the annals of drone evolution, keep in mind the incredible strides that have led us to the present-day marvel, the Bayraktar TB2. From humble beginnings to high-tech wonders, drones have reshaped warfare, and their impact continues to reverberate across global defense strategies. Stay with us as we unveil the secrets behind the Bayraktar TB2 and its role in shaping the future of conflict. Fasten your seatbelts, because it's time to meet the star of our show, the Bayraktar TB2. Crafted by the innovative minds at Baykar, a leading technology company hailing from the heart of Turkey, this drone is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering excellence. The Bayraktar TB2 has taken the world by storm, earning a reputation as one of the most capable and adaptable drone systems in existence. Originating from the bustling technological hub of Turkey, the Bayraktar TB2 embodies a strategic blend of innovation and purpose. With roots in a nation known for its rich history, Turkey's commitment to technological advancement has led to the creation of a drone that's not just a mechanical marvel, but a game-changer in modern warfare. It's a symbol of Turkey's dedication to achieving self-reliance in defense technology and reshaping the dynamics of military operations. What sets the Bayraktar TB2 apart is its remarkable versatility. This drone is a master of multiple roles, seamlessly transitioning from one mission to another with precision and grace. Its primary use cases include reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. Imagine a device that can soar above the clouds for extended periods, surveying vast landscapes, gathering intelligence, and tracking targets with unparalleled accuracy. And when the situation calls for it, the Bayraktar TB2 can unleash its precision weaponry, delivering pinpoint strikes that minimize collateral damage and maximize effectiveness. The significance of the Bayraktar TB2 lies not only in its technical prowess but also in its role as a strategic enabler. It empowers nations with the ability to swiftly gather information, assess threats, and respond to challenges without putting lives at risk. This shift from conventional aerial operations to remote-controlled precision enhances military effectiveness while also redefining the balance of power on the global stage. As we venture deeper into the heart of the Bayraktar TB2, we'll unravel the intricate mechanisms that drive its performance, explore its state-of-the-art features, and uncover the real-world scenarios where it's proven its mettle. So stay tuned as we peel back the layers of this remarkable drone system and discover how it's reshaping the art of war as we know it. Now that we've met the Bayraktar TB2 and understood its origins, let's dive into the technical marvels that make this drone a true standout. Brace yourselves, because the Bayraktar TB2 is loaded with features that defy the ordinary and redefine what drones are capable of. First up, let's talk about its endurance and range capabilities. The Bayraktar TB2 boasts an impressive flight endurance that allows it to stay airborne for extended periods, reaching distances that were once unimaginable. This enables it to conduct thorough surveillance, cover vast territories, and maintain an unblinking eye on potential threats. The combination of endurance and range gives commanders unprecedented flexibility in decision-making, allowing for timely responses to emerging situations. But that's not all. The Bayraktar TB2's payload capacity and versatility deserve special mention. This drone can carry a variety of payloads, ranging from high-resolution cameras for detailed reconnaissance to precision-guided munitions for surgical strikes. This adaptability ensures that the drone can be swiftly reconfigured for different mission types, from intelligence gathering and target tracking to engaging hostile forces with lethal precision. Another striking aspect of the Bayraktar TB2 is its autonomous operation. This drone is designed to take off, fly, and land autonomously, reducing the need for constant human intervention. This capability streamlines operations, minimizes human error, and enhances the overall reliability of the system. It's like having a pilot that never tires, never hesitates, and never wavers in its commitment to the mission. Let's not forget about its sensory prowess. The Bayraktar TB2 is equipped with advanced sensors and imaging systems that provide crystal-clear visual intelligence. These sensors can detect even the faintest details from high altitudes, capturing images and videos that help decision-makers analyze situations with unparalleled clarity. This level of detail aids in target identification, assessment, and precise targeting, reducing the risk of unintended casualties. The Bayraktar TB2's effectiveness doesn't stop there. Its communication and data-sharing capabilities allow it to seamlessly integrate into larger military networks, ensuring that real-time information flows effortlessly between the drone, ground control stations, and other assets. This data-sharing synergy enhances situational awareness, collaboration, and ultimately, the efficiency of military operations. As we unpack these features, it becomes clear that the Bayraktar TB2 is a force to be reckoned with. Its capabilities transcend the limitations of traditional warfare, offering a blend of endurance, versatility, autonomy, and precision that is reshaping battlefields worldwide. This is a drone that's not just changing the game, it's rewriting the rulebook entirely. Stay with us as we journey deeper into its operational successes and unravel the immense impact it's having on the world of modern warfare. The true testament to any technology's worth lies in its real-world successes, and the Bayraktar TB2 has more than its fair share of triumphs to boast about. This drone system has not merely remained a technological marvel on paper, it has proven its mettle in the crucible of actual conflicts, reshaping strategies and rewriting the narratives of battle. In the world of intelligence gathering and target identification, the Bayraktar TB2 has become a silent sentinel in the sky. It has played a pivotal role in providing commanders with accurate and real-time information about enemy movements, troop concentrations, and potential threats. This aerial vigilance has allowed ground forces to make informed decisions, adapt to changing scenarios, and outmaneuver adversaries with precision. But where the Bayraktar TB2 truly shines is in its ability to execute precision strikes with surgical precision. There have been instances where this drone system has not only identified high-value targets, but has also taken them out with minimal collateral damage. This level of accuracy redefines the concept of air power, enabling nations to neutralize threats while minimizing harm to civilians and infrastructure. One standout example of the Bayraktar TB2's effectiveness comes from the conflicts in Syria and Libya. In these theaters, the drone has demonstrated its capability to pinpoint enemy positions, disrupt supply lines, and eliminate key personnel. These successes have shifted the dynamics of these conflicts, highlighting the transformative power of drone technology in modern warfare. It's important to note that the Bayraktar TB2's impact extends beyond its immediate operational successes. Its ability to gather intelligence, identify targets, and execute strikes has influenced how military forces plan, strategize, and execute missions. The drone's successes are reshaping the very foundations of military doctrines and prompting other nations to reevaluate their defense strategies. So, as we applaud the Bayraktar TB2's achievements, it becomes clear that this drone system isn't just rewriting history, it's shaping the future of warfare. As we continue our exploration, we'll delve into the broader implications of its successes, the challenges it poses, and the debates it ignites on the global stage. Stick around as we uncover the layers of impact that this game-changing technology has had on the ever-evolving theater of conflict. The Bayraktar TB2 isn't just another technological advancement, it's a catalyst that's igniting a revolution in modern warfare. This drone system's impact resonates far beyond its physical capabilities, reshaping the very fabric of how conflicts are waged, strategies devised, and power projected on the global stage. One profound change brought about by the Bayraktar TB2 is in the dynamics of asymmetric warfare. This drone has given smaller nations and non-state actors the ability to level the playing field against larger and more conventionally equipped adversaries. The drone's versatility, precision, and endurance offer a tactical advantage that can tip the scales in favor of those willing to embrace cutting-edge technology. The role of air power in conflicts has also been redefined by the Bayraktar TB2. Traditionally, air power was synonymous with manned fighter jets and bombers, often accompanied by a human pilot's risk. However, this drone has shifted the paradigm, demonstrating that air superiority can be achieved remotely, without risking human lives in the cockpit. This shift marks a turning point in how military operations are conducted, prioritizing precision and effectiveness over traditional modes of engagement. Furthermore, the Bayraktar TB2 minimizes risks to human pilots, which is a significant advancement in itself. The drone's autonomy and remote operation allow missions to be carried out without putting pilots in harm's way. This not only saves lives but also opens doors to missions that would have been deemed too dangerous for human pilots. It also reduces the emotional and psychological toll on pilots who previously faced perilous missions. As the Bayraktar TB2 continues to influence conflicts and defense strategies, its ripple effect is shaping the future of military doctrines worldwide. Nations are reevaluating their approaches to aerial warfare, embracing the fusion of technology and tactics. This drone's successes have sparked a race for innovation and superiority in the field of unmanned systems, paving the way for more advanced designs, improved capabilities, and even the integration of artificial intelligence and swarm technologies. So, as we stand at the precipice of a new era in warfare, the Bayraktar TB2 stands as a symbol of transformation, a harbinger of change that's blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Stay tuned as we venture deeper into the ethical and strategic implications of this technological leap, and explore the potential trajectories that lie ahead for drone technology and the changing face of global conflict. As we marvel at the technological wonders of the Bayraktar TB2, we must also acknowledge the complex web of controversies and ethical concerns that surround the use of drones in modern warfare. While drones offer unprecedented capabilities, they also raise serious questions about the implications for human rights, international law, and the future of conflict. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for civilian casualties and collateral damage. The precision of drones does not eliminate the risk of unintended harm to innocent civilians and critical infrastructure. The Bayraktar TB2's ability to conduct precise strikes must be balanced with rigorous target identification protocols and adherence to rules of engagement that prioritize minimizing civilian harm. The use of drones has also sparked debates regarding international law and sovereignty. When drones cross borders or operate in contested areas, questions arise about the violation of national sovereignty and the potential for escalation. Striking the right balance between a nation's right to defend itself and respecting the sovereignty of other nations is an ongoing challenge that requires careful consideration. Additionally, the proliferation of drone technology presents a dual-edged sword. While the Bayraktar TB2 has demonstrated the positive aspects of unmanned systems, it also highlights the potential for misuse. In the wrong hands, drones could become tools of oppression, surveillance, and even terrorism. The challenge lies in ensuring that the benefits of drone technology are harnessed responsibly, and that safeguards are in place to prevent malicious applications. The ethical concerns don't end there. The concept of remote warfare raises questions about the emotional detachment of operators from the consequences of their actions. The psychological toll on remote pilots, as well as the potential for desensitization to violence, are important considerations that warrant ongoing exploration and dialogue. As we traverse these controversies and concerns, it becomes evident that while the Bayraktar TB2 represents a technological marvel, it also serves as a stark reminder that innovation should be tempered with responsibility. The use of drones is not merely a technological question, it's a moral and strategic challenge that demands global collaboration, ethical guidelines, and a commitment to minimizing harm while maximizing security. So, as we continue our exploration, let's remember that the impact of the Bayraktar TB2 extends beyond the battlefield. It raises profound questions about the future of warfare, the role of technology in conflict, and the responsibilities that come with wielding unprecedented power from a distance. Join us as we navigate through these ethical intricacies and contemplate the path forward in the world of drone technology. As we gaze into the horizon, the future of the Bayraktar TB2 holds exciting possibilities that could reshape the landscape of warfare even further. The journey of innovation is never-ending, and the evolution of this remarkable drone system continues to gather momentum, promising enhancements that will amplify its impact on the modern battlefield. Upgrades are a natural part of any technology's lifecycle, and the Bayraktar TB2 is no exception. We can anticipate a series of enhancements that will refine its already impressive capabilities. These upgrades might include improvements in endurance, range, sensor technology, and even the integration of cutting-edge communication systems. Each advancement will further cement the drone's position as a force to be reckoned with. The integration of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence holds immense promise for the Bayraktar TB2. AI algorithms can enhance the drone's ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, enabling even faster decision-making and more accurate target identification. Additionally, the concept of drone swarms, where multiple drones collaborate seamlessly, could amplify the drone's effectiveness in various missions, from reconnaissance to strategic strikes. As the drone market continues to expand, potential competitors and challenges will inevitably arise. Other nations and manufacturers are undoubtedly eyeing the successes of the Bayraktar TB2, inspiring them to develop their own advanced drone systems. This competition could drive innovation even further, pushing the boundaries of what drone technology can achieve. Nevertheless, challenges persist. The ethical and legal concerns we've discussed earlier will remain crucial considerations in the development and deployment of future drone systems. Balancing innovation with responsible use will be essential to ensure that these technological marvels are wielded for the greater good. In this rapidly evolving landscape, the Bayraktar TB2 stands as a harbinger of things to come, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Its journey is a testament to the relentless pursuit of technological excellence, and a preview of the paradigm shifts that await us in the realm of future warfare. As we conclude this journey through the Bayraktar TB2's story, we're reminded that the only constant in the world of technology is change itself. The sky's the limit, and the journey continues, one innovation at a time. In wrapping up our exploration of the Bayraktar TB2, let's take a moment to reflect on the remarkable journey we've embarked upon. From tracing the evolution of drone technology to diving deep into the intricate features of the Bayraktar TB2, we've witnessed the technological marvel that's redefining the landscape of modern warfare. This drone, born from innovation and forged with purpose, is more than just a collection of sensors and metal. It's a symbol of progress and the fusion of human intellect with cutting-edge engineering. The Bayraktar TB2's impact on modern warfare is undeniable. It's reshaping the very tactics, strategies, and doctrines that have defined conflicts for centuries. As it soars through the skies, it's changing the dynamics of asymmetric warfare, redefining air power, and minimizing risks to those who serve on the front lines. It's a beacon of innovation that's shaping the way nations think about defense and the protection of their interests. We encourage you, our viewers, to share your thoughts and opinions on the fascinating world of drone technology. The Bayraktar TB2 sparks conversations not only about its capabilities, but also about the broader implications of its use. Join us in the dialogue, comment below, engage with us on social media, and let your voice be heard. Before we sign off, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this journey. Your time and attention are immensely valued, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our aviation community. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with more exciting content, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe to our channel. With that said, thanks for watching, and as we sign off, remember, as the Bayraktar TB2 blazes a trail in the skies, it's also charting a new path for the future of warfare. So, until next time, fly high, stay adventurous, and keep your eyes on the skies, where innovation knows no limits.